Hello, today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy M20 phone from the settings menu. So first let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Let's swipe up once again and go to settings. Now swipe up again and go into the general management. And here you have a reset option, select it. And here you have a factory data reset option. This is what we are looking for, select it. This will delete everything on our phone, our Google account, system and application data settings, downloaded applications, music, pictures, photos, all user data, everything will be cleared. So this option should be best used if you want to have a fresh start or you are selling your phone to someone. If you are sure of that, select reset. The phone will once again ask you if you are absolutely sure, and if you are, select delete all. The phone will now shut down and perform the factory data reset operation. It can take a while. And just like that, our phone is back to its factory default settings, and you can set it up once again. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.